celebrant, here is a birthday song for you. Today is your birthday, your very special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all the sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your loving friends singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Look at the sunshine rising up above, shining down the mountains, surrounded by the lakes. Look at the birds flocking down the trees, singing sweet melodies on your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your loving friends singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Everyone is wishing a happy, happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday.
Hi! We are Nubita! Tita Ami, happy birthday po! Happy birthday po, Tita!
Happy birthday, me. I love you and pagaling ka.
Magaling ka, Tita! Happy birthday, Tita! Love you po!
Hello po, me. Happy birthday po, me. Today is your birthday po, me. And maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga nyo sa aming mga kapatid and kay daddy po. And happy birthday po. Enjoy your day po, me. More birthdays to come and God bless you po, me. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pastora Ami. Happy birthday to you. May you live long, Pastora Ami. I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in health as thy soul prospereth. Terdian 2. God bless, Pastora. Hindi natin may tago ang ating mga wrinkles. God bless. Have a great day.
Happy birthday po, Pastora Ami. Bless you po and more birthdays to come po at good health po. Dalangin po namin sa Panginoon na good health po kayo lagi at mag-ingat po kayo lagi po. Alagaan niyo po mabuti sa sarili niyo po. Salamat po sa mga payo niyo po sa amin, sa mga pangangaral niyo po at pag-share niyo po ng salita ng Diyos. Yan lamang po. Happy birthday po ulit and God bless po sa pamilya niyo po at lalong-lalo po sa inyo. Enjoy your day po.
Everyone, good morning. I am the Word of Life family.
So I would like to say and I would like to greet. Happy birthday today, Pastora Ami Admanlog. Wish you all the best in your whole life, in your ministry, and more strength, physical strength and mental strength, more knowledge and wisdom sa mga gawain ng ating Panginoon. And thank you for being generous and helpful. Talagang nakikita sa inyo ang kabutihan ng Diyos sa buhay nyo dahil nakikita naman na mabuti kayong pastora sa mga kawan ninyo. May God give you long life and more provision and more blessing to come. Sana pa lumawak pa ang buhay. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Again, happy birthday, Pastora Ami Admanlog.
Happy birthday, Pastora Ami. Maraming salamat po sa mga tulong niyo po sa amin. Kayo po nila, Pastor. Miss na namin po kayo dyan. Ingat po kayo palagi, Pastora Ami. Muli, happy birthday. Wish namin po na good health po sa inyo at more blessing po sa inyong pamilya. Maraming salamat po. God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Pastora. Maraming salamat po sa binibigay niyo po sa amin na aling na pagkain para ingat po kayo dyan palagi sa magpamilya. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi.
Miss you.
Miss you again.
Happy birthday.
Happy, blessed birthday, Pastora Ami. I pray that you will be gifted with many more years, filled with amazing blessings, and more birthdays to come, happy moments, and more blessings to come in your life, in your family, good health, and remember Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a good future. And thank you po sa lahat ng prayer niyo ni Pastor for my family and for me